Meaning of HGTV.
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 HGTV. HGTV stands for Home and Garden Television, an American basic cable and satellite television channel. It is a popular network that focuses on home renovation, house flipping, and real estate shows. The channel provides a variety of programming related to home improvement, gardening, and design. HGTV offers a range of shows catering to different interests in home improvement and interior design. It is a great platform for viewers interested in learning about home makeovers, DIY projects, home organization, and design inspiration. Overall, HGTV is an excellent resource for homeowners and anyone looking to improve their living spaces.